This is Patchwork Kite Stencil from Altenew. This is a 6x6 stencil. This stencil features a fun triangular design. This geometric pattern will look great on both male and female projects and can be used for many different occasions. Use the stencil as is or mask off parts to create fun designs as backgrounds for your cards, scrapbook layouts, or any other crafty project. All Altenew stencils are high quality and manufactured in the USA. To find out more about the Patchwork Kite Stencil and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.